YouTube? It's your boy JS392 back with another video. Lovely weather we're having. So today I'm gonna be installing some footwell lighting to complement my interior lighting that you see that I did previously. And honestly, if I would have done it different, I definitely would have gotten a kit that pretty much coincides with the one with Dash in terms of the app. But it's okay, it's cool. I went with another one of these no-name kind of kits from Amazon. So let's see what we got in the box here. All right. So basically, you have 4 strips that are already interconnected, and they have adhesive. They also have screws if you're into screwing things into your vehicle's interior. I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. I think I'm gonna just utilize the adhesive. It should be good enough. And right there it has its own remote if you want to put it on the side over here. It has some 3M adhesive and literally the same kind of adapter. I think it has its own app as well. Yep, here we are. There you go. It tells you how to get the app and everything. And you can pretty much do the same thing with these in terms of colors and pulse and strobe as with the dash lights. So I'm gonna be installing that. It should be pretty easy. It's just all you have to do is I'm gonna put one there, and then probably under the seats, and conceal them by putting them over there on the sides right there. Really easy. Just tuck them in, and it should be a simple, quick, easy process. Hey everyone, also I'd like to quickly just talk about this little adapter I got, which I believe is essential in all this plug and play stuff. It's basically a splitter that allows me to put multiple devices, obviously. And I went with this one, which is also from Amazon, because it has a wire for the adapter instead of being one big piece that's fixed in place. Some of these splitters that I've seen on the internet are quite big, and they don't fit properly, so you can't plug it right, and there's no flexibility. At least with this one, is wired and then goes into the splitters, and you can have it tucked in properly and easily. It also has USBs and switches, surge protection, and it's all around just essential when you have multiple devices being plugged into your vehicle's DC outlet. So yeah. Okay, so now I pretty much got everything set up to do my first step, which I already plugged in the device, put it in the center, and then now what you're gonna want to do is put your seat all the way up and forward to be as comfortable as possible, and just so you can work with ease. Just use the noise, just moving stuff around. So I have it here. All right, so one's gonna go to one side, and the way it's split is so that you can go left and right, which is great. So you have 2 connected for one side and 2 connected for another. And again, behind it you have the adhesive, like so. Then you can easily just stick to your seat or under your footwell, and that's that. All right, so here we go. We're gonna put the first one, and hopefully that sticks on properly and smoothly. that's our first piece. Okay. So now that we got the first one connected, we're gonna run it through here on the side and then put it all the way to the front into the front footwell. All right, now that we got, excuse the mess by the way. Wanted to get a car wash, but as you saw, the weather's terrible. I had it run through here all the way, so it's nicely concealed. And now I'm just gonna stick it up into the footwell right over here. Put some more of this wire away. There you go. And that's about it. Put away, a little wire hanging. I'm gonna conceal that. I'm just gonna put maybe like some tape or something. Other than that, the only thing you can see is this little wire here, but that's no big deal. And rinse and repeat, do it on the other side. That's about it. The seat's already put away. A little wire hanging. I'm gonna conceal that. I'm just gonna put maybe like some tape or something. Other than that, the only thing you can see is this little wire here, but that's no big deal. And rinse and repeat, do it on the other side. All right, YouTube, as you can see, this is the finished product. Again, obviously, excuse the mess, but I'm very happy with how everything turned out. Now I'm gonna go clean up the car, probably do another video just to show y'all what it's supposed to look like. But yeah, it's a great compliment to my dash lighting, and I'm really happy with it. Definitely psyched. I know it's gonna look even better at nighttime, where this is really gonna pop out. And yeah, man, it just looks great overall. Really love it. Really am happy with it. All right, YouTube, this is the finished product. Very happy with it. Completely changes everything in terms of interior ambiance, and you know, it's just exactly pretty much what I wanted. Let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe, and as always, this is your boy JS392. All right.